Hi, reception. Now, this is your next today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We're gonna be looking at sort of symbols. So, we've been learning to use the number line, haven't we? And last week we were looking at the biggest, smallest, least, most, and we were looking at how much bigger. Now we're gonna sort of follow on with that work, but what we've introduced, and I've shown you this a little bit in class. We're looking at this symbol. And this one, I'll move that one out the way for now. And this one means add, just means or plus, but add is what we tend to use a lot. And then this one means equals, and it just means the same as, the same as. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use these symbols, and then we're going to show you how I'm going to show you how I use it on the number line. So if I was looking at we've done lots of work on number bonds to 10, and that simply means which two numbers can make 10. So if I was looking at 10 here, remember? So there's your equal. So if I was putting it this number, let's put this one in. Start up with this one actually. 1 plus, what else do I need? I'm on 1. What else do I need to get to 10? Now we can use your fingers for this, couldn't you? 1, do you remember we've done it? We put 1 up, and how many then are sleeping? I've only got one hand at the minute, but 1 up, how many are sleeping? So if you had your 10 hands up, your 10 fingers up, put 1 down, how many are sleeping? So do that now, 1 down, how many are sleeping? Sleeping means they're like this. So you should have both hands up. That's right. It's 9, isn't it? So we know that 1 plus 9 equals 10. And what we're saying is that 1 and 9 more, that's all it means, adding on 9 more is the same as 10. So that's what you're doing. You're adding 1 plus 9 equals 10, or 1 add on 9 is the same as 10. Now, one of your activities is to tell me, write down using a number sentence, all the different ways to make 10. But you've got to do it in a number sentence. So we know that 1 add 9 makes 10. What else makes 10? Which other numbers make 10? Now, this is where you could have your number line. So if you did this way, we got 2. Now I'm going to write my add in this time. Plus, or add. What do I need to add to 2? How much more do I need to add to 2 to make 10, to be the same as, to make 10? So what you could do is, you could look at your number lines. You're at 2, but you want to get to 10. So this will start, you can use your fingers. How many, you can put 2 fingers up, and then how many are sleeping? You know, use your both hands. Obviously, I'm holding my phone with my hand. But you could even do your counting on, couldn't you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 8. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. So I had 2, and 8 jumps equals 10. Now, we have done this before, and I just want to go back over it to make sure you know it before we move on. So what we're looking at today is you understanding that means adding on, how much more, linked to the work we did last week, and that means equals, but it means the same as. So, and we're learning that we can write them in a number sentence. Like you were writing sentences today about the snow. You were going to do number sentences. So we said 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 also equals 10. find me the other ways to make 10 and you might be able to see a pattern. And then it said, use your number line to count on. So the next one, rub it out. You could just rub it out and think, instead of 2, I'm going to go to 3. You could do that. How many jumps then? 1. You tell me. And then when you go to 4, put your dot on 4 and rub out that dot, rub out that jump there. How many jumps then? And then do the same for 5. How many jumps then? And you'll be able to see a pattern. But you've got to concentrate, write that in a number sentence. Now we're starting off with something that we've done in class, but we needed to go back over so that tomorrow then we can look at adding in a different way. Okay? But still using this number line and still looking at these signs. So your task today is to find me all the ways to make 10 by using a number sentence. And your